Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In today's video I will show you how to rotate stepper motor in clockwise and anti-clockwise. Let's start the video. Please subscribe to the Star Technology 5G and click on the bell icon. Project: how to rotate stepper motor in clockwise and anti-clockwise. In this project, we will connect unipolar stepper motor with PIC16F877 microcontroller, and we are using ULN 2004 Darlington pair array because microcontroller cannot provide enough current to operate the stepper motor. Here is the circuit diagram we are using in our project. It is PIC16F877 microcontroller. Pin number 1 is master reset. If we press the switch it will reset the microcontroller. Port C interfaced with ULN 2004 Darlington pair transistors array. The output of ULN 2004 connected with stepper motor. It is unipolar stepper motor. Common wires interfaces with plus 12 volts. RD0 pin interfaced with switch 1. And RD1 pin interfaced with switch 2. These are pull-up resistors. The value of resistors is 4.7K. If we press the switch I motor will rotate clockwise direction, and if we press the switch 2 motor will rotate anti-clockwise direction. Pin numbers 13 and 14 interfaced with an 8 MHz crystal. And 22 PF capacitors connected with the crystal. Pin number 11 and 32 connected with positive 5 volts. Pin number 12 and 31 connected with ground volt. Let's draw this circuit in Proteus. Circuit is ready. Now we will write it code in micro C for PIC. Here is the window where we can write the code. I already wrote the code, otherwise video gets very long. I will copy the code. And I will paste it here. Now I will define the code. Hashtag define step MOT port C. Define port C as stepper motor. S bit SW1 at port D.B0. Define port D pin RD0 as switch 1. S bit SW2 at port D.B1. Define port D pin RD1 as switch 2. Void ms delay. Unsigned char time. Define ms delay function with variable name time. Unsigned char y, z. Define variable name y and z. For y equals 0, y less than time, and increment y. For loop for delay. For z equals 0, z less than 255, and increment z. For loop for delay. Void anti-clock. Rotate anti-clockwise. This function rotates stepper motor in anti-clockwise direction. Step MOT equals 0x03. Activate 2 pole at a time. Send 00000011 code to stepper motor. It will activate 2 pole. MS delay 200. Call MS delay. Delay for next step. This delay depends upon how fast you want to move stepper motor. Step MOT equals 0x06. Activate 2 pole at a time. Send 00000110 code to stepper motor. MS delay 200. Call MS delay. Delay for next step. Step MOT equals 0x0C. Activate 2 pole at a time. Send 00001110 code to stepper motor. MS delay 200. Call MS delay. Delay for next step. Step MOT equals 0x09. Activate 2 pole at a time. Send 00001101 code to stepper motor. MS delay 200. Call MS delay. Delay for next step. Void clock. Rotate clockwise. This function rotates stepper motor in clockwise direction. Step MOT equals 0x09. Activate 2 pole at a time. MS delay 200. Call MS delay. Delay for next step. This delay depends upon how fast you want to move stepper motor. Step MOT equals 0x0C. Activate 2 pole at a time. MS delay 200. Call MS delay. Delay for next step. Step MOT equals 0x06. Activate 2 pole at a time. MS delay 200. Call MS delay. Delay for next step. Step MOT equals 0x03. Activate 2 pole at a time. MS delay 200. Call MS delay. Delay for next step. Void main. Main function. TRISC equals 0x00. Set port C as output port. Port C equals 0xFF. Clear port C. TRISD.RD0 equals 1. Set port D pin RD0 as input pin. TRISD.RD1 equals 1. Set port D pin RD1 as input pin. While 1. Repeat forever loop. If SW1 equals 0, clock. Rotate clockwise. If switch 1 has pressed call clock function, it will rotate motor in clockwise direction. If SW2 equals 0, anti-clock. Rotate anti-clockwise. If switch 2 has pressed call anti-clock function, it will rotate motor in anti-clockwise direction. Now we will create the hex file. Just click on the build icon. Finished successfully. File is created. Now we will load hex file into the microcontroller. Double click on the microcontroller. Select the hex file. OK. And click on the run simulation. If we press the switch 1, it will rotate the motor in clockwise direction. And if we press the switch 2, it will rotate the motor in anti-clockwise direction. If you have any problem with the code, let me know in comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the Star Technology 5G. And keep watching Star Technology 5G.